I hope you guys are ready. These are gonna be the top new insane Amazon Prime Day deals that are starting today that you absolutely do not wanna miss. There are some huge discounts on some best-selling favorite items that we all love from Amazon, items that only really go on sale this time of year. So let's jump in. Highly anticipated deal, this Samsung Galaxy Tab Lite. Today is 36% off, which brings it down to $140. Now this does have that multi-window display. It's slim, lightweight, 11 inches, and has 64 gig. So you can actually see and use multiple apps at one time. This is a great affordable option to the Apple iPad, and the sound quality is top-notch too. So we're gonna see this drop to $140 today. The best-selling 17-piece pot and pan set. If you are in need of new pot and pan set, now is the perfect time to grab it. I love this brand from Amazon. They have a few different variations. Some have detachable handles, some are just like your basic, but they're great because they stack, which is great for small spaces in your kitchen. They are non-stick, and this is 25% off. Some of the other colors are higher percentages off, but overall must-have pot and pan set that is really great quality. Lowest price to date on the best-selling carpet cleaner. So we're seeing this 36% off, which brings it down to $81. This is amazing for upholstery, your furniture, couch, use it in the car. If you have kids or pets, this is just a non-negotiable in the home, but always a favorite item to start running on deal for Prime Day. I have done hours and hours of research to bring you guys the best deals, and most of these items are lowest price to date, which is really exciting. And like always, everything will be listed down below in the description box, as well as pinned as the top comment. And I will keep all of those links up to date if something sells out, if prices change, because all deals are subject to change. A wet dry vacuum has quickly become a staple in our home. So say goodbye to the tangly mop and bucket that you carry around. And I did a comparison on two really popular wet dry vacuums, the Roborock F25 and the Roborock F25 RT. So the RT is the white one, and then the normal F25 is the black option, as you can see here behind me. This is one of those Amazon finds, or just items in general, that you didn't know you needed until you tried it. As a mom of two littles, where there's messy stains, food falls on the floor almost every single meal, the wet dry vacuum has completely changed the game for our family. So you can ditch the broom, vacuum, and mop and replace it all with the wet dry vacuum. But you really cannot go wrong with the F25 RT. It's just so amazing to be able to just get the vacuum out and to be able to do cleanup and get all the crumbs, so I don't need to sweep or vacuum before and then mop. It saves me time, and it's so convenient. And trust me, I know there's a lot on the market. I've tried other high-end brands. I'm telling you, this one is my favorite. My daughter is 1 year old, and she is in that stage where when she eats, like, so much of the food ends up on the floor. And before, I would pull out like our long mop, or I would just get on my hands and knees and clean it up, but the floor never felt very clean. And this Roborock vacuum, it's incredible. Truly, my husband is obsessed with it. He grabs for it all the time. He's like, we should have used this so much sooner. So it saves so much time, and it's so easy to use. I think I was a little intimidated by them in the past, thinking, are they kind of complicated? Like, I'm gonna have to like clean and do all these things. Super easy to use. Now the F25 RT does lay 180 degrees, so it easily gets under furniture or countertops or high chairs in our case. The suction power is really, really good. So it has that 20,000 PA suction power, which is, it's so good at picking up literally crumbs, sauce, yogurt that spills on the floor with one swipe. And as I mentioned, it's that tangle-free performance, so you don't have to have the mops. So goodbye to the mops that have all like the stringy hairs on them, if you know what I mean. And this does it with ease. Even if you have lots of pets in your home, this is amazing. Y'all know when it rains outside or they come in from outside, muddy paws, grass pellets, those things can easily fall on the floor. And this is just incredible at cleaning that up so quickly. And it's perfect for hard floors, specifically tile, laminate, wood, and more. So this is a great time to snag higher ticket items like this. Now there's a lot of vacuums out there. This is a really great option for your home. 24% off of a 3-in-1 walking pad. If you guys follow me for a while, you know my love for a walking pad, especially as a mama when the kids go down for naps. Like, I can't leave to go to the gym. So being able to have a walking pad to get my steps in, I have a 10,000 step goal each day, and it has made me feel like I've had so much energy overall, when you would think the opposite, and I've just felt so much better overall. So love a walking pad because it is less expensive than a treadmill and you can move it around to different places in your home and we're not using it. Put it under a couch, put it under a bed, and it's also great to take with you if you are able to do it at work as well. It is that time of year where all of the bugs are out when we're outside, specifically mosquitoes. So this mosquito repellent is amazing. 20% price drop, which brings it just below $32. This is great for patios. It has a 9-hour shield. It has a 9-hour battery and then includes a 12-hour refill. And the refills for this are also on Prime deal. And it's great because it's scent free. So you're not going to be able to smell this weird scent when you're outside. So all of the summer get-togethers, when you're all outside in the evening, it gets really buggy. This is a must. I went like down the rabbit hole last year with air purifiers and there are so many benefits to them. Filters your air. It's a fragrance-free sponge essentially for better sleep. It filters smoke, allergies, pet dander, odor, dust, and you can put this anywhere. It's small, it's compact. You can put this in your office, a bedroom, a living room. So this one's 20% off, which is going to bring it down to $40. And I have heard time and time again that especially in the 6th season, this was really great at helping with germs too. One of our all-time favorites, the Sol de Janeiro Bum Bum Cream, 20% off. I have been using this cream for years. It's always one of the top favorite items for Prime Day. The smell is incredible. At this Bum Bum Cream, I mean, it moisturizes, it doesn't feel greasy, it has this light scent, and also has added benefits for plumping and just smoothing everything out. Also use the perfume body mist if you're interested, and I love all of those scents. They do have a bundle pack of all the perfumes that you can try out too that's also on Prime deal that I have linked below. Really great fashion items running on deal today as well. I know we're in summer season, but fall is right around the corner, and this Barefoot Dreams Look for Less sweater is one of my all-time favorite sweaters. We're seeing this 18% off. I own this in multiple color options, and when I tell you it's like a blanket wrapped around you, it really is. It is the coziest, cutest sweater, and I wear my true to size small. 38% off of the Levi Ribcage jeans. I have had these jeans for I think 3 to 4 years now, and I love them. They wash and wear really well. They have this really nice, stretchy, comfortable fabric that holds its shape, but also you're not waiting till the end of the day to change into your pajamas or something more comfortable. Now with this brand, I always size up one size, so I'm typically a size 2. I'll usually size up to a 4 in this, or I think that's a 27. They're amazing. They last really long. I cannot recommend Levi jeans enough. We love an easy one and done 2-piece set. This best-selling set, great for travel, great for lounging, great for running errands, really anything. It's actually a Spanx look for less. Quality is insane. It washes well over time. 37% price drop. I'm wearing my true to size small here, and I own this in multiple colors. It's that good. Now, if you're looking for a fun date night, just a top that switches things up from your basic tops, this one shoulder top is stunning. Quality is insane. It pretty much mimics Skims, which has that buttery soft, really great fabric. I love this style with some jeans. You could style it with the rib cage Levi jeans that I shared. And this is also a great layering piece too. I love how it just effortlessly hangs off of one shoulder. That is a price drop of 35% off. Comes in so many beautiful color options. Trust me, you will be obsessed with this. Now, pants that feel like sweatpants, yes, please. 25% price drop. This has gone viral multiple times over on Instagram. I've shared them in 3 different color washes. Now, they do run big. So they start at size 4. I'm wearing size 4 in all of them. Just keep that in mind. They have a really good amount of stretch to them. Truly, they just feel like you're cheating. They're that comfortable. And on my 5'8.5" frame, they hit me at like a true 7/8. Great to wear casual and dress up for business casual. Our tried and true Look for Less romper, 40% off, which is going to bring it down to $18. Another one you'll just find yourself reaching for. It's cute, it's comfortable, and goes great with sandals or sneakers. Some beauty items you are not going to want to miss. Hydration is key, and this collagen mask has great hydration benefits that actually penetrate deep into the layers, helps with hydration and anti-aging, and overall just gives a more healthy appearance to the skin. Over 18,000 star reviews over on Amazon. We're gonna see that drop 20% off, which is gonna bring it down to 15. So great item to add in your spa night or self-care evening. And I tell you, these feel so cooling in the hot summer months. I have one of these lip masks with me at all times, whether I have one in my travel bag, I use it every night before I go to bed. I mean, talk about plump, nourished lips. That's this lip mask. A little bit goes a long way. I have it in probably every single variation that it comes in. I love the tube for every day, and then I use the lip mask before I head to bed at night, and I don't go without it. We're seeing that 30% off. The Neutrogena makeup wipes are 42% price drop, which brings them down to about $8. Now is a great time to stock up on basic items that you use every single day. If you're like me, I love micellar water. I was recommended this by my dermatologist a few years back to double cleanse with this. So I'll take a cotton round, I'll use the micellar water, removes the makeup, and then I'll go in with my cleanser and cleanse it. And my skin has been worlds different. It's actually amazing if you just wash your face one time, how much oil and makeup can still be left in your pores. So great option, either of these are. Whether you do the makeup wipes or the micellar water, double cleansing is key. I love a good eye balm. Tula makes amazing eye balms, and their skincare is also 30% off. I love the brightening one. I love that they have anti-aging benefits in it, and it's cooling under your eye, which kind of just acts as like a natural caffeine to give that more awake look in the morning. I have been reading so much on Korean skincare and the benefits of it. So the same lip mask that I use, the Laneige lip mask, they also have an incredible water mask for the skin. So this is an overnight mask. It has squalene, probiotics, which basically just helps to smooth, brighten, and lift the skin. So this is different in the fact that you can put this on, you can sleep in it and let it do its work while you sleep, which is amazing because that's when repairing happens all over your body. And so that is also 30% off. Another one of our favorites is the Dream Wow Frizz. And you guys, I know we've all been waiting for this deal. If you have frizzy hair or struggle with frizzy hair, the Color Wow Frizz Coat is 30% off. This is award-winning anti-humidity hairspray. How you use it, you shampoo, you conditioner, you towel dry your hair, and then split it up into sections, and you're gonna wanna just apply this anti-humidity spray to your hair, and then you're gonna go ahead and blow dry, style it dry. And for best results, I recommend using it every 3 to 4 shampoo washes. And what's great is it also isn't scented. A lot of hair products these days have really strong scents, so I love that this one is non-scent, especially if you're sensitive to smells like I am. Stanley is included in the Prime Day this year. So excited. I love their Ice Flow Stanley Steel Cup. It comes in so many beautiful color options. I have a feeling that this is one that will go really, really fast. And what's great about this is that it has that resistant flip. So if you're someone who doesn't like an exposed straw, this is a really great option. And this will keep beverages cold for about 12 hours. We're seeing a 45% price drop on the Waterpik flossers. So if you want to ditch those little flosses or the long strings, opt for the water floss. It basically just uses water instead to floss your teeth. So excited that my pack of 2 ankle weights is on Prime Day deal today as well. All of my at-home gym equipment, gym items that I use are all from Amazon. So we're seeing these 27% off, which brings them down to a $30. Now the dumbbells, I love the neoprene dumbbells, are also on deal. I will link those up as well. Now the percentage on those are gonna vary depending on the size weight option that you choose, but I've been using these for years and I can't recommend them enough. 21% off of the stationary Peloton. So if you have been waiting for that big ticket item, starting today, you're going to see that 21% off. And this is great because you can bike anywhere in the world. You can bike with other people, which is fun. So you kind of have that class feel with being in the comfort of your home. And like I said, Prime Day is a great time to stock up on those necessities. 25% off of AA batteries. A lot of batteries are running on sale today too. And if you are in that little kid stage where the little toys just use batteries up so quickly, I feel like we fly through batteries these days. The Breville Smart Oven, we're seeing have a 20% price drop right now, and it actually cooks 30% faster than an oven would. And you can choose from 13 different cooking functions. And I love that this is a countertop item. So if you're traveling, you're going somewhere, this is great to bring along with you. Or like I said, you just want to throw something in there quickly and not use the oven. This is a great alternative. Personal favorite to put French fries or vegetables in there. I feel like it kind of gives that fried taste without actually needing to fry them. The reviews are amazing, has over 11,000 star reviews over on Amazon. Now, if you are someone who is camping, maybe you hike, you travel a lot, and you're not sure about the water safety, these life straws are amazing. I actually recommend always carrying one of these with you when you travel. It's basically like a mini water filter, which is great. So we're seeing that have price drop today, 30% off, which is going to bring the whole pack down to $56. Mamas, there are some great baby deals or toddler deals happening. Graco does not often run a deal, but their Extend 2 car seat we're seeing have price drop today, and this is amazing. We just got this one with my second, and you can actually rotate the car seat. So when you're getting kids in and out, it just helps save your back. It's easier to buckle them. It's amazing. Total luxury car seat that we absolutely love, and you can snag that on deal today. And the Owlet sock, 33% price drop. This was a really popular item last Prime Day. This is great. You can put this on your baby. I specifically loved it right away when my babies were super small. You can put this on your feet and it will monitor oxygen level. Now, if you want to dig down a little deeper and you want to get some personalized genetic traits, the Ancestry DNA kit, 67% off, which is going to bring it down to $40. This is a complete DNA test that has DNA ethnicity traits, origins, and ethnicities, and then we'll give you an ancestry report. So it's very eye-opening. I feel like this is super interesting and fun to do. And this is the top selling consumer DNA test. So definitely want to snag at 67% off. Also wanted to pop in and mention I am giving away 2 $500 Amazon gift cards to enter. You just have to drop your Instagram handle down in the comment section and let me know your favorite deal you found on sale today, and then make sure to watch all of my Instagram stories through today and slide the bar over there to enter into the gift card.